Welcome y'all to Ayia Napa. What's up everybody and welcome to Ayia Napa, Cyprus. We are here now in the city of Ayia Napa, one of the most popular locations in entire Cyprus. One of the best beaches are here in this municipality. And we're gonna check out some of them on this beautiful weather in, this is right now June. Yes, June, and I am Igor and covering my neck because I got burned in the sun. So right now trying to protect my neck. Push like, subscribe, and welcome to my exploration of Cyprus. I'm a vlogger. See you in Cyprus, Ayia Napa. An interesting detail, guys. Jesus. All right, beaches are that way. So this thing here is one of the, of course, most popular destinations in entire Cyprus. The best beaches are located here, and maybe also in Protaras, where I just arrived from. And guys, I'm gonna do some videos from inside Ayia Napa. Welcome y'all, subscribe. Interesting that all flags are represented. Man, guys, you got stores, brands, restaurants, fast food joints everywhere. Way more than, for example, in Protaras, which is mostly like restaurants. This feels like a proper city already, even though it is a small one and very touristy one. And of course, McDonald's. That's a huge beluga, guys. It costs $475 euros. Local pharmacy, guys. They are everywhere and available. Some side streets, and of course lots of bars. I'm not sure what the street is, but we're on the corner of the center, or eastern corner of the center. We're going southwards, and you got pretty decent little stores here and there, my friends. Check this out. Here we go. Relaxing vibes. Greek tavern. Sorry, guys. this is what, Limanaki? I think it's like a little right before the embankment, the shores, the beaches, a little store, marketplace over here. I'm trying to find a Cyprus cap, maybe, just maybe. Let's see. And you got some t-shirts, all sorts. And looking good, guys. Ayia Napa definitely feels really nice. It's like proper town, but very touristy at the same time. More like a real town, unlike maybe Protaras, I would say, for sure. Everything is a bit more pricey, or way more pricier, but pricier for sure. In general, you know, everything is a little bit too hot for today. So I think we're gonna head out to the beach and have a little swim. That's what we're gonna do. Definitely need a swim. So okay, you got some a little thing for the kids and for the evening. So I guess this is packed in the evenings. Yeah, you got restaurants probably packed in the evenings. Everything for the kids. Yeah, got even the Jaws from the movies, similar like in the Hollywood, right? And I think we're gonna go towards the beaches and the pirate ships over there. We have to check out which way. I think it's on the slightly to the right. That's where we're gonna go in order to get where we're going right now. And I just bought my new Cyprus hat. People speak here German. Many speak actually also Russian. Many speak Russian actually a little bit, and ex-Russian based people living here. And yeah, you got all sorts of weird meeting points. All right, guys, continuing on. Here we got some artwork right here on the square. Some restaurants. Really cool looking, gelato, Italian. And of course, just check this out. Also something really, really beautiful. I think it's a little church or Orthodox church. And then we're trying to find a place for swimming. First cat in Ayia Napa. Wow, cool красивый. Хи-хи, малыш. It is amazing, guys, amazing. And this is amazing as well. Hey. A little bit reminds me of Barcelona, Just a little bit. Super.